Lovely job. I've sold him bits. It's got my alternator on it, some other bits and pieces. I've sold him, but I've never met him.
Sure. He pulled up behind us before. He's like, I've got a charger broken. I'll park here. Yeah, man.
I want to find him and talk to him.
Yeah.
You know, like, and like, oh, there was a ute. That ute. I've worked on that one as well.
Yeah.
Like it fits in there really nicely, like
cool,
factory
man.
oil filter housing.
What sort of engine is it?
That's a 1uz.
True.
But it's quiet, eh?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Calvin from the Car Tune Company. So I'm at a track day at Taupo with the Sylvia, and I spot this little Avenger, and I'm like, I know that car, and I never actually met the man. I've sent emails, we've exchanged pictures, we've chatted, so it was really neat to come down and actually meet the guy. So this is Richard, who owns the Avenger. So we're going to have a little look around it very quickly. Richard, tell us about your car.
So it's a 1980 Chyslar Avenger, which started off life as a little 1600, but then I got it and I realised that the steering was absolutely terrible, and they rev at about 4,100. So something had to be done. So I had a Avenger race car body shell laying around, which I was going to put the 8 into. Then I had the great idea of wanting to put that into the wagon, and this is the results.
Yep. So we got individual throttle bodies. And this is, Richard was just telling me, this is the first car he has wired up. And I know it's getting dark at the moment, but look at that wiring job, it is absolutely lovely. And I actually heard you were at a particular race meeting and you might have run an award.
I've won tons of awards in this. I've won
Yeah.
at Ford Rotary Nationals. I won best V8, sorry, best engine conversion and best 70s 80s car.
Yep.
And then at the Jamboree, I won best V8. Then at the Automania, I won the What the Question Mark Award,
Oh yeah?
which is like the one.
Yep.
And then at the Anzac Day Renegade Show, I won the best other.
Cool, that's awesome. And that is a tiny little car, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, and I'll show you something else.
It's getting dark. We're not gonna, oh, you got it in the mag?
Yeah, in the mag.
And you featured in the mag? Oh, look at that. That is cool. Yeah, that's awesome. That looks good.
Yeah.
Did you do anything with brakes?
Yeah, it's got Woolwood brakes on it.
Yeah, Woolwood's on it,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a Woolwood Dynalites.
So you had them from the race car?
No, I bought them all for this.
Oh.
Yeah, so all I had from the race car was the engine, gearbox and diff.
Yep.
So the gearbox is an R154, which I bought brand new.
Yep.
And the,
We're lucky. Everyone gets upset because we can get R154s
Yeah.
and they're so available.
I know, yeah.
We just get them.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
not
So-
everyone in the world's that lucky.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
Yep. And motors just standard at the moment.
Mostly standard, yeah, except for the ITBs and
Yeah.
stuff. And then I run all the aircon and used one of your little alternator.
Oh, right. Same as we're running on the Sylvia
Yeah,
today.
yeah,
That's cool.
yeah, that makes it much simpler, easy installed in, you know, don't take up much room.
No, very impressive.
Thanks.
And it's great to meet you, finally.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Pleasure.
Not bad, eh?
Not bad, alright.